Hey y'all, welcome. Today I want to show you all the do-it-yourself foot scrub that you can use at home when you're doing your own pedicures. It consists of 3 ingredients. We got the brown sugar, you have some epsom salt, and you have some coconut oil. Okay, so we're going to take about a half a cup of brown sugar, and we're going to mix it in with the coconut oil. I think I used about a half a cup. Now, you don't have to use coconut oil. You can use olive oil if you like. Um, some people use baby oil, whatever your choice. I just like to use the coconut oil because it really absorbs in my skin, instead of just sitting on it like some oils do. And plus, it has some antibacterial properties in it, so that's a plus. Okay, and then I'm going to take some Epsom salt. I use about a fourth of a cup of Epsom salt. You don't want to use too much of it. Now, for those who have really dry skin, you can use less oil, like about a fourth a cup, so that your foot scrub can be more rougher. Therefore, it'll be more exfoliating to the skin. They help remove more dead skin off your feet. Okay, y'all, so now that I got everything mixed in well and combined, I'm going to check the texture of it. Make sure it's to my liking, which it is. And mind you, you don't have to use the same amount of oil that I use for my foot scrub. If you want your texture to be more of a coarser feel, less oil is okay. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this mason jar here. This is what I usually store it in. You don't have to have a mason jar. If you can have like a regular plastic container or just any type of jar that you don't even use anymore, you can store it in that. I usually keep mine in the refrigerator, and I do that so that the oil won't separate from the salt. Because sometimes if you leave it out, in a warm place, that oil will start to sit on top of the sugar and the salt. And when it's time for you to use it again, you just have to shake it up and get it mixed in again. So, all right. Well, that's it, you all. Thanks for watching.